Miss Huang's class rules. Number 1, be respectful. Listen when someone else is talking. Number 2, be kind. Keep your hands, feet, and objects to yourself. Number 3, be a good listener. Follow directions quickly. Rule number 4, be honest. Always tell the truth and make smart choices. Rule number 5, always try your best.